back, guys, to my channel. Today I'm here with Unice Hair again. Not gonna lie, no, Unice been stepping out, okay, and I've really been enjoying their quality. The quality of their hair has been really good so far. So it's the same packaging as last time. Open the box and I see this first. So it's a little drawstring bag that says Unice. So what I got today, I got another headscarf branded Unice. I also got a wig cap. I got some more nail wraps. And lastly in this bag, oh, I got some really nice lashes. I see where I got this extra like comb you can put in your wig and elastic bands. And the wig, of course, and that's everything that came in the box. So I'm excited about this because it's some color again. I mean, I did this color recently on my channel, but it was in a different texture. So this is a 24-inch 99G lace front wig that we are working with today. I must say I'm so happy for this wig. Now, of course, this hair, it shows up brighter and like brighter lighting, so it's like dimmer, as you can see. Like the duller the lighting is, the duller it looks, but the brighter the lighting is, it's like a beautiful cranberry shade. So this is a construction, pretty standard. It has 3 combs in total in the cap and adjustable straps in the back. And yeah, as I said, it's a lace front wig. Now I'm so excited for this, guys. You see, so I brought it closer so you can see. So this came pre-plucked. It looks nicely plucked, I'm not gonna lie. The hairline looks really good. It comes with a bit of baby hairs. I can't wait to go and put this on. I'm actually so excited because I want to get this like bone straight. I want to get it like butter, guys. And it's 24 inches long. It looks really true to length. So I love when a hair is true to length. So I look a little longer than 24 inches, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, anyways, let's just go ahead and jump into installing this.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, cause you caught it.
Yeah, all I went in and did basically was just apply, you know, the norm. I went in with my Got To Be spray and just ensure that everything was super laid as usual. You guys know me. I change my look so often, so I opt to use the adhesive, the spray. Most of the times if I'm going to like wear my wigs for a prolonged period, then I'll do glue, but when it's for a very short period, then I do the spray, which is more convenient for me at that time.
You caught it. Golden, honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the young, so I could show you. You're golden, honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine, just so that I could show you. You're golden, yeah, you're golden.
I use my hot comb to lay the roots of the wig, and it's just nicely colored. It's even. I love this color, man.
Hold my hand in the darkness. Summer heat, bodies lay on the carpet. Eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the end, so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly.
Alright guys, so I got done with installing the wig. It's so pretty, right? So with this now, I'm just giving you guys variety because you guys saw where I did 99J curly wig the other day. So this is just like adding variety. Now this is a straight 99J wig. Of course that was from another company, and today this is from Unice. So far I love the how silky it is. Like, can you tell? Because I haven't even straightened it as yet. This is it, not straightened. Like, this is the how it came in the package and everything. So what I'm gonna move on to do is just go through this with my flat
Just so that I could show you you're golden. You're golden. You're golden. You're golden. Golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You know it. Yeah, you're golden. Golden.
This is how it looks, guys. Amazing quality. This is why I'm still rocking with Unice, because the hair quality has been really good. I'm not gonna lie. And the color, as I said before, I'm really enjoying this color. Talking about color, guys, stay tuned because I have some colors coming up. Maybe the next video, as a matter of fact, is good, or the other video after the next. I don't know, just stay tuned. But I have some color coming up, some colors. So you don't want to miss that. This is so nice. So just to get a little bit more into like the quality of the hair in terms of shedding, I did get just a little shedding, and I would say maybe that's due to it being, you know, it's processed. It's definitely processed here. It wasn't like, it's not overly shedded, but remember when I was applying it, I cut off the sides as I usually would, so you know, I know that maybe they're kind of increased the shedding because I did cut it a little. But apart from that, it's really good. It's silky. It's a natural luster. It doesn't, it's the flow, the movement. The movement is really, really nice. 24 inches, but I feel like it really feels like 26 on me. I'm tiny, but this is where a 26-inch wig would usually, you know, reach me. Yeah, it's 24 inches, really nice, and the density, everything feels good. As I said, all the specifications will be in the description box, the direct link where you can go ahead and shop this wig, all that good stuff. So honey, go ahead and shop. It's going into spring, so get your colors up, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's look. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual. Big up to you. And stay tuned for my other videos. I have hauls coming up, by the way, guys. I have hauls coming up, so you don't want to miss that. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.